Unit 1. An. Noun.
A boy. An apple. A cat. An egg. A school. An owl.
Grammar tips. Tips for an.
Is used with words that begin with a consonant. N is used with words that begin with a vowel, such as A, E, I, O, U.
Tips for nouns.
Nouns are names of things, people, animals, and places. And an are both used for singular nouns. One noun.
Examples.
Let's look at some examples of nouns. Under people, we have a boy, a girl, a friend, a mom. Under things, we have an apple, a book, an eraser, an umbrella. Under animals, a dog, an elephant, a lion, a mouse. And under places, a house, a school, a church, a hospital.
Right and wrong.
Now let's look at the right and wrong section. The first one says, an teacher. This is wrong because teacher begins with a consonant, so we need a. Teacher is part of the people section. A teacher. Next is a octopus. This is wrong because octopus begins with a vowel. Octopus is from the animal section. An octopus. Next is an playground. This is wrong because playground begins with a consonant. We use a. Playground is a place. A playground. And last is an car. We use a with car because it begins with a consonant. A car is a thing.
Quiz.
Circle the right word. An pencil. Pencil begins with a consonant, so we circle a. A pencil. And book. Book begins with a consonant, so we circle a. A pencil and a book. An apple. Apple begins with a vowel, so we circle N. An apple. Banana begins with a consonant, so we circle a. A banana. An apple and a banana. An ham. Ham begins with a consonant, so we circle a. A ham. Egg begins with a vowel, so we circle N. An egg. A ham and an egg.
Quiz.
Circle the correct expression. A strawberry. B, an strawberry. Strawberry begins with a consonant, so we circle A. A strawberry. A umbrella. B, an umbrella. Umbrella begins with a vowel. We use N with vowels, so we circle B. An umbrella. A boy. B, an boy. Boy begins with a consonant. We use a with consonants, so circle A boy. A frog. B, an frog. Frog begins with F, a consonant, so you circle A frog. Find the mistake and correct it. An bird. Bird begins with a consonant, B. So we say a bird. Write a bird on the line. An flower. Flower begins with a consonant. We do not use N with consonants, so you write a flower on the line. An coat. Coat begins with a consonant. We use a with consonants. you write a coat on the line. A island. Island begins with a vowel. We use N with vowels. So you write an island on the line. A uncle. Uncle begins with U. It's a vowel. So you write an uncle on the line. And crayon. Crayon begins with C, a consonant. And we use a with consonants. So you write a crayon on the line.